Now I'm going to demonstrate some scenarios that this application would be good in assisting your analysis. And I'm going to start by doing an Emerald Ash Borer treatment options analysis on District 3. So you have criteria that you're basing your treatment option trees on. Say you want them to be in diameter class 3 with a 0 hazard rating. So first I'm going to filter District 3 by ash. And we've returned 7 trees. And as you scroll down, you can see here we have a tree that meets your criteria. Diameter class 3, 0 hazard rating at 7374 Lindbergh, and you can zoom to that tree. And as you scroll further down, here is another tree. They're right next to each other, and it's diameter class 3, 0 hazard rating at 7384 Lindbergh. So those are the trees that meet your criteria for treatment options in District 3. Now I'm going to do a undesired species analysis on District 2, and we'll go back to the previous extent. So our undesired species is silver maple, so you filter by maple dash silver, and we've returned 10 trees. And as you scroll down your results, here is a tree that has a hazard rating of 7. So we'll zoom to that tree at 7537 Dale, and this would be, since it has a diameter or a hazard rating of 7, this would be a tree, an undesired species with a high hazard rating. You would want to consider removing this tree and planting a more desired species in there. Now I'm going to do a hotspot analysis for hazards, and we'll do this in conjunction with the Richmond Heights tree inventory for the entire city. Turn on the hotspots. So you can filter the hotspots by hazard rating of from greater than 1 to greater than 9. And right away when we click hazard rating greater than 1, we've reduced the trees contained to 4. And it stays the same all the way up to a hazard rating greater than 7, and we've returned 1 tree. So we'll go ahead and zoom into this tree and click on it, and we can see here we have a very large pin oak, diameter 30, with a hazard rating of 8 at 1154 Claytonia. And this is a very large hazardous tree. We would really want to consider removing that tree. Last, I'm going to do a diameter analysis on the entire city. So we'll click on diameter hotspot, and we can filter the diameter class. And as we click on the first diameter class filter, here we can see the trees that are not highlighted are where the smallest trees are. And as you increase, you can see these where the pockets of larger trees are in the city. And finally, as you filter all the way up to greater than 4, you can see that these highlights are where the biggest trees in the city are. So that's your diameter hotspot analysis for the city.